Greetings everyone, I am Bishop Ryan Ruddy from the New Testament Church of God, Silver Gardens. Oftentimes we find ourselves in some very difficult situations in life, and we ask the question, how did we get here? Here's a word I believe God has given to me that I want to leave with you, a better place to be. May you be inspired, may you be challenged and be blessed. God bless you.
Metamorphosis experience. It goes in out warm and comes out as a butterfly. It goes in having to crawl. It comes out able to fly. It goes in a thing that is ugly and despised, and it appears as a thing of wonderful beauty. I want to preach to somebody here. This day in the house of God, for some of you, you are going through the metamorphosis experience. The situation is so ugly, but nobody wants to talk about it. Nobody wants to touch it. You went into your clothing place. You went into your cocoonness, and you enclosed yourself. And you said, God, because of my ugly condition, I want to stay here. But God gave me a revelation. He said, while you are there, I'm working on you. But therefore, in crawling in, you're going to come out with wings. God told me to tell you, you are about to soar. You are about to take on a new experience. I don't know who I'm talking to. For a long time, you may have locked down and locked yourself.